How to update MoonPay application. Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel WebToTech. In this video, I am going to show you how to update MoonPay application on your mobile phone. So let's jump to process. First, open your Play Store for an Android. For an iOS, open your App Store. I am going on with my Play Store. Now tap on the search icon present on the bottom right corner. Then tap on the search bar present on the top. Now type in MoonPay. Then tap on the search icon present on your keyboard. Now here you can see MoonPay by Crypto and Bitcoin option. Tap on MoonPay by Crypto and Bitcoin. Now if you haven't updated your MoonPay application, you'll be able to find Update option instead of Open. So tap on Update option. Now wait for a few seconds till your application gets updated. After your application gets updated, you'll be able to find Open option. Tap on Open option, then you'll be able to open your MoonPay application. With this, your MoonPay application will be updated. And this is how you simply update your MoonPay application on your mobile phone. Hope this video is useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you like our content, make sure you like, comment and share. Thank you.